And viewers, once again, it's election season. Once again, Congress chief has made big statements. Once again, Kharge has said people's faith in electoral processes gradually is decreasing. The breaking news that's coming in. And he says questions are being raised on the impartiality of the EC. He further says what it is that the government is trying to hide by changing election rules that the court has ordered to share. At the CWC meeting, it's once again EVMs that seems to be the main focus. Yet again, the Congress not having an election agenda, trying to fall back on EVM as the party's number one issue. Remember, it's very critical to mention, viewers, that the EVM issue has been raised time and again by the opposition party each time they lose. Also very important to mention here is the Supreme Court has also taken note of this habit that the opposition has formed in the Supreme Court when they've stated that this is always something that comes up when the Congress party, when the opposition is losing. So once again, the Congress chief's big statement coming. I'd also like to see what he said at the CWC meeting. We can see Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge himself there, and his statement that people's faith in electoral process is decreasing. I think these are big words coming in from the Congress at a time when they are aware that these are personal views of the Congress party. I'll also try and go across to my colleague, but first let's listen in to what Kharge has stated. There's no reaction, but Soumya is also joining us live on the story. Soumya, you and I have seen several times that the political parties that are losing on election day often make these grandiose statements which have come down under criticism also from the courts. But they won't stop. At the CWC meeting, having absolutely nothing else to speak about, they once again speak about faith in elections decreasing. I'll go across to Soumya, viewers, but the big breaking news coming in yet again. Congress chief makes the statement. He says people's faith in electoral process is decreasing and questions are being raised on the impartiality of EC. These are both aspects that have been seen by the courts. But once again, the Congress party, up to its old games, always trying to blame the EVMs every time an election is lost by the Congress party. At these very serious CWCs, the very serious and grim reality picture that is given is once again only putting focus on the EVM. Let me go across to Soumya joining us on the phone line. Soumya, yet again, the Congress up to its old games. Yet again, it seems no other issue is there with them other than making the EVM issue the main issue. Soumya? Okay, I also want to go back to what has been stated. There's also going to be a Congress press meeting at 6 p.m. It's going to be on today's resolutions. There's going to be by several leaders of the Congress party. They're going to be holding this meeting. Viewers, yet again, we're seeing the Congress party coming up with the same old issue. Every time they lose an election, they're once again up to their old games of blaming the EVM. Statements coming from Mallikarjun Kharge, who says the government is trying to hide by changing election rules. They're also stating people's faith in the electoral process is decreasing and questions are being raised on the impartiality of the EC. This is not the first time or the second time, but the upteenth number of times that the Congress party has come out with such words on the EVM, despite having very strongly got criticism from the top court. The Congress is yet again blaming the EVMs after back-to-back poll defeats. There is going to be no real understanding of why the Congress is getting defeated. But of course, like every time, it's the EVMs that are going to be criticized. Let me go across to Niranjan joining us on the phone line. Niranjan, these are tactics that are being used, very old tactics being used by the so-called grand old party. Yet again, I think it's time, and I think very clearly the viewers also understand the bluff that the Congress continues to do.
Well, Rhythm, grand old party, grand old tactics. And, it's an irony. I found it really funny because in Karnataka, it is a Congress government that is ruling, Rhythm, which of course we all know. And in a state where they won the elections just last year, less than a year ago, they are, having this CWC meeting and they are saying EVMs don't work. I mean, what is the irony? They're sitting in Karnataka. They are the ones in power, right? And Karnataka is an important state even for the Congress party because as confessed by some leaders in the Congress party themselves, Karnataka is one of the states that generates all the party funds, right? And sitting in that state, they're casting aspersions on the EVMs. It is quite ironic, but it becomes serious because it's been a sort of a mixed day for the Congress party because they've been lasted by their own allies. Their own allies don't want them in the bloc. Aam Aadmi Party wants them out, and they're isolated because even on this issue, the NCP, even Supriya Sule has come out and said, "Boss, I have contested elections. I have won elections. For me, the elections work." So even the NCP, their own ally in Maharashtra, is saying that this outcome of blaming is not really going to work in the long run.
I also want to tell our viewers, Niranjan, and I want you to stay with us, the Election Commission in a 450-page affidavit in the Supreme Court had given details about how the EVMs totally standalone machines. And I remember at that time a very critical oral observation that was made by Justice Vikram Nath, which the Congress party needs to really understand. EVMs are fine if you win, like you said, Niranjan, the court said. EVMs are fine if you win and tampered if you lose. I think these are very old tactics that the Congress party is doing at these very serious CWC meetings instead of focusing on some core issues, possibly not even a part of the India alliance anymore, Niranjan. They still continue to have only one agenda, to criticize the EVMs.